If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your computer. Navigate to the Options menu, select the Graphics tab, and decrease settings such as resolution, texture quality, and visual effects. Step 2. Update your game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that improve performance and fix bugs. Check for updates through the game launcher or your gaming platform. Step 3. Manage mods and custom content. If you use mods or custom content, they may be causing lag. Remove or disable any unnecessary mods and ensure that the ones you keep are updated to the latest version compatible with your game. Step 4. Optimize your computer. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. Check your task manager to see what's running and end tasks that are not needed while playing The Sims 4. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If lag persists, consider upgrading your computer's hardware. Decreasing RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly improve game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in lag spikes while playing The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.